this video, I will show you how to create a high-converting ebook in 10 minutes fast, complete with a lead capture form and integrated with your favorite autoresponder. By the way, I'm using LeadCreator, but you can use any tool you currently have. However, if you want to see this ebook creation that is the best marketing quality possible, keep watching.
So from the main screen of LeadCreator, to start creating the ebook, click on Create a Lead Magnet. And the name of the lead magnet that we're going to create, this is just for our references, is delicious salmon recipes that are healthy too. And the category, we'll enter a category called food. And the next section we want to go into is all the way at the bottom here where it says ebook creator. And then we need to give the ebook creator template a ChatGPT prompt. The more detailed your prompt is, the better output that you will get from the ChatGPT, of course. So I'll just paste in my prompt here that I had created. Persona, I'll leave by itself. No persona. And we will keep since it's a recipe for salmon, let's make it descriptive. I want an introduction, I want a conclusion, no negative keywords, English, 12th grade, create. The creator's engine is going to use AI to scan the prompt that I entered in there and go ahead and drum up some really kick-ass content. I'm doing this in real time because I have my clock running and I don't want to cheat on how long it takes to create this ebook that once created, you can use for whatever purposes you wish. And you hand out as a free incentive to opt in to your email list, or to have as a supplemental information to your recipe blog, or to basically hand out as a template in itself with the content of the ebook recipe that we are creating right here. So our magnet with the lightning bolt is still pulsing away there and churning on that data. And it's been churning for not too long. And here we go. Now we have our ebook. The ultimate guide to cooking mouthwatering salmon, delicious and healthy recipes. Here's our introduction. Here's our table of contents. Here are the chapters. And this looks pretty good. We have some good content here with some good information. On the 30-minute meals, layout looks nice. And when you think ebook, you're thinking like a publisher with a cover and everything like this. I want to show you something that I think is really cool. The heading for your ebook can be formatted. You can change the color. You can center it. can space out the paragraphs so it flows a lot better. You can definitely read it over to make sure that the ebook makes sense. Of course, every ebook should have nice graphics. The graphics editor that I use is LeadCreator, but you can use any graphic editor of your choice, like Canva or whatever your favorite graphic editor is. However, I would put the link to LeadCreator below. You can get a free access there. So for the first section of the ebook, I would like to put the graphic with text side by side. So the way you would do that in LeadCreator would be to create a column. We'll add 2 columns. And then on one side of the column, we put an image. And this image I already downloaded from LeadCreator. And here's your image. You can resize the image to your liking. And then on the right side, I'll have this first section of the text here of the ebook. Let's do the first 4 paragraphs. Should be enough. We cut that. Close that up again, and then we paste it over here. So now we have the first part, heading the first part of the ebook, and then some more of the intro, then the table of contents, and then chapter 1. For chapter 1, we put another graphic. I'll do number 2 over here. This one we'll just keep in the middle. It's fine. And then separate this paragraph here in this chapter. Types of salmon. So that's chapter 1. Best cooking methods. And then in chapter 2, we put another graphic here. Number 3. That looks okay. We will spread it out a little bit. This chapter. And then continue. Simple salmon dishes, that looks good. Under 30-minute meals, that looks good. Balanced taste and nutrition, that looks good. And here we have chapter 3. Image. Chapter 3, we have an image. It looks good. Looks delicious. Now I'm getting hungry. And sophisticated recipes. Special occasions. Looks good. Impressing with flavor and presentation. Chapter 4. This should be number 5. There we go. Shrink it a little bit. And open up this paragraph a little bit. Wholesome side dishes, zesty sauces, enhancing flavor and nutrition. Chapter 5, our final chapter. That looks healthy. And in this chapter, there are insights and strategies, safe storage methods, keeping dishes flavor, and conclusion. We drop an image here also in the conclusion section. And that concludes our article. We could spread this out a bit. Additionally, and then over here, give it a little bit of space so it's easy on the eyes and reading. As I mentioned before, you need to have a way of doing an email capture. If you want to build your mailing list, select one of the templates in here. So let's say you wanted to go with the standard template in the form field. You could say opt-in to see the rest. Privacy policy would be filled out with the default. I want to keep reading, that's fine. You won't do that double opt-in, just the regular. Keep the regular style. The trigger, I highlight the one on mouse scroll. Let them read a bit of the ebook before the pop-up comes up there. And that's done. My integration is with MailChimp. There's a number of integrations here that you can choose from. If you don't see yours here, you can always use Zapier or these other linking methods at the top. And oh, got it. That's my list. So now I have my integration saved. That's it. If we go to the settings, you can change the slug to update that. I use the LeadCreator AI domain. You can add a referral link, which is from your affiliation. I'll leave that off for the time being. You have a social sharing image, but this delicious salmon recipe is ready to be published. And we are done. You can share this. You can have it as a template. Build your opt-ins. After going 75% down on this page, people will want to opt in to see the rest of your recipe, the rest of your ebook. I know that the video went over 15 minutes, but the body of the ebook was created in 4 minutes. All of the content that was needed for this ebook was done within that 10-minute window. It was just my slow typing and going into the nitty-gritty details of building out the ebook to completion that took the extra time. So it is doing this with regular tools is quite a lengthy process. I've known in the past that it's been taking me days to put an ebook like this together. So go ahead and click on the link below and get in with this LeadCreator tool today. It's amazing, and it will definitely allow you to focus on your creation.